Michele Fiore dodging questions from the 8 News Now investigators after appearing in federal court. A grand jury that is, indicting the former Las Vegas city councilwoman. She is now a judge in Pahrump, accusing her of spending charity money on herself. 8 News Now investigator Vanessa Murphy reporting from federal court in downtown Las Vegas.
Michele Fiore entering a not guilty plea here in federal court, then speaking to reporters, but also refusing to answer questions about the allegations against her.
The bottom line is, did you take the money? Did you spend the money for the fallen officers on yourself and your family?
I think I'm just going to run and hug you, right? Just do it. I'm going to tackle you.
Michele Fiore initially ignoring questions after her first appearance in federal court. A grand jury indicting her on 5 charges related to wire fraud. Prosecutors say she defrauded charitable donors of more than $70,000 while she was serving on Las Vegas City Council. They allege she raised money for a statue to memorialize Metro Police officers Alan Beck and Igor Soldo, who were killed in the line of duty in 2014, but instead spent the money on travel, rent, and her daughter's wedding. Here, her daughters and attorney are by her side.
These allegations are repugnant. For the past decade, I have faced relentless investigations, continuous attacks, numerous attorneys, and countless negative headlines.
No cameras allowed inside federal court, but the 8 News Now investigators were there. As an attorney with the Public Integrity Section at the Department of Justice told a judge, this isn't a complex case. The judge noting he doesn't believe Fiore is a danger or flight risk, allowing her to remain out of custody without paying bail and prohibiting her from personally reaching out to witnesses who aren't family members. Fiore, now a judge in Pahrump, noting she is concerned about action from Nevada's Commission on Judicial Discipline and saying she was served a notice while walking into court.
I am tired of the shadow games others have played for the past decade.
After her brief statement, we still tried getting answers.
What did you spend the money on?
Vanessa, you like your job?
I like my job, but that's not why we're here. Thank you. That's not why we're here.
Statement? Let me tell you something. I get my statement. This is an open case. I have to be very cautious on what I say.
But where's the money?
So you tell me.
What do you want to say to the widows? What do you want to say to the widows?
Why don't you ask the prosecutors? Why don't you ask the prosecutors?
The judge is ready, pled not guilty for the charges?
Yes. We played not guilty. Do you understand what that means?
No more questions for her, please.
No more questions.
And moments before that, Fiore telling reporters she wants no continuances, meaning she wants the case to move forward as soon as possible. Reporting at the federal courthouse in downtown Las Vegas, Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.
As soon as possible, as in possibly September 24th. That is when a trial is scheduled. There is another person mentioned in federal court documents who prosecutors say benefited from this. No word yet on whether that person will be charged.